students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is Countries of South Asia. South Asia is a diverse land that consists of a number of important nations. So clues about some of the countries in South Asia are given below. Identify the countries and write their names. First is the world's highest mountain peak is in this लैंडलॉक्ड कंट्री. वर्ल्ड की सबसे हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक इस कंट्री में है. सो दिस इज नेपाल. सो नंबर 1 नेपाल. नेक्स्ट इज द नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ दिस कंट्री इज रेवन विच रिप्रेजेंट्स ऑफ इट्स गार्जियन डायटीज. सो दैट इज पाकिस्तान. So second is the national bird of this country is raven which represents one of its guardian deities. So this is Bhutan. So that is number 2, Bhutan. Next is this country national anthem is known as the Qawmi Tarana and its national tree is Deodar. So this is Pakistan. So number 3, Pakistan. Okay, this is Bhutan, Pakistan. Number 4th is this archipelago was ruled by the British till the year 1965 and it consists of 26 coral atolls. So this is Maldives. So this is number 4. Next is this country's capital is Naypyidaw and is acquired its current name in the year 1989. It houses the Golden Pagoda. So this is Myanmar. So this is number 5. Next is this country's parliament is known as Jatiyo Sangshad and the national fruit of this country is the jackfruit. So the country is Bangladesh. So this is number 6, Bangladesh. Number 7, the meaning of the name of this country is Resplendent Island in Sanskrit and the administrative capital of this country is Sri Jayawardepura Kotte. So this is number 7, Sri Lanka. Next is Sri Lanka. Next is the well-known Khyber Pass connects this country with its neighbor in the east. Pashto and Dari are the main languages spoken in this country. So the country is Afghanistan. जहाँ पर मेन खाइबर पास है, right? So fact bank, this you have to know. SAARC, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, is an organization of South Asia nations that consists of 7 countries, namely Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. SAARC में ये countries आती हैं and the concept of SAARC first came up in 1980. और कब हुआ था ये सार्क शुरू? 1980 में. सो बच्चे, दिस इज द चैप्टर. आई होप आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से इसको रीड करेंगे, देन एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस खुद करेंगे.